To fix the unable to link phone number to account error on Discord, follow these quick steps. 1. Double check your number. Make sure you entered your mobile number correctly with the country code. 2. Avoid VoIP or virtual numbers. Discord doesn't support temporary or online numbers like Text Now or Google Voice. Use a real mobile number. 3. Remove the number from other accounts. A phone number can only be linked to one Discord account at a time. Log into the old account and remove it via settings, then go my account. 4. Clear your cache. On mobile, go to settings, then go apps, then go Discord, then go storage, then go clear cache. On desktop, press Ctrl plus R to refresh Discord. 5. Try another device or browser. Some users fix the issue by switching from mobile to PC or vice versa. 6. Wait and retry. Too many failed attempts can trigger a temporary block. Wait a few hours, then try again. 7. Still stuck? Contact official support for help.